Hi everyone, today's video is going to be on Juvia's Place Full Coverage Foundation. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video will be about, of course, my recent trip to Ulta. I picked up 3 items that caught my eye. I went in there for one in particular, which is this. Yes, I have it in color, forgive me if I mispronounce this, but it's Bogota, which is 500. It is in the light section, so I am way at the freaking bottom, which I'm usually at the top. I love that. I love that my queens are first. I don't mind I have to go to the bottom. I just love this. Reviews that I've read are half and half. When I was in the store, one gal was like, "Oh, I see you're picking up the foundation." I was like, "Yeah." She was like, "Well, I'm returning mine because it made me oily." She was about my color, if not one shade darker, and I'm looking like, huh? Oily. I'm oily in my T-zone. Look at my nose, I'm already sweating. I'm oily here, dry here, and down here. So I have combination oily skin. My favorite go-to foundation is a MAC Studio Fix, which I am currently out of, so I decided to pick this one up in place of that. I think I need some more lighting. But you get your standard packaging. There's no directions or anything. All of your ingredients are listed here, here, here. I don't know if you can read it, but it is a 30 milliliter 1 point fluid ounce. It's $20 is what it retails for. It's small for $20, but that's fine. It says a lot goes a long way. It does come with your safety seal. And I am just going to apply it with this. I'm going to turn on some more light. Even though I have the natural lighting going, it's still a little bit dull to me. So let me get some light. I hope that's better because I really want you guys to see this on my skin tone. I am, look at my undertones, peach. And I have nothing else on. I just have on some, of course, my eyebrows, and I have on some eyeshadow. I love trying new things, especially when it's African American. I wanna support. I'm gonna go ahead and put some on here. Just, this is the amount. And I also spilled some right here, so we're going to see. I'm only gonna do one side of my face, which, let's do this side. Just gonna dab it around. And speaking of that, for some of you, I'm gonna be looking down in this mirror here. I'm in some makeup groups on Facebook, and I saw, and I saw what happened to Supa. Now, I did purchase her palette, and that's like, oh my gosh, this is awesome. And that has become like one of my favorite. Oh my gosh, look at this, y'all. It's even hiding my bags. Ooh. But I'm so disheartened what has happened to her. A lot of people are calling conspiracy theory, but I'm like, y'all, she's sick. It's spoken to be, ooh, her liver. I've heard rumors that, oh my gosh, y'all, that it's the water down there in Louisiana that's causing people to become ill with some type of, I don't know. I'm about to rub this all over. But this is one side. Damn, I look photoshopped on this side. But I'm like, let's lift her up in prayer because, no, that's disheartening. You just had your baby. Or you have all this chatter going on about you. We don't know what's going on. Just gonna get this flat brush to go around my eyebrow on this fallout I had. But we don't know what's going on with that situation. So I'm not gonna speak on it. It's not my place to, but I saw that and I had a coworker tell me about it and I was like, what? I haven't heard it. And you have to read more into it yourself. Because I really haven't. I'm not the type to really follow gossip or anything. And I just messed up my eyebrow. I'm not the type to really follow gossip or anything. But I just thought that that was so sad. I'm like, you don't remember? I'm just going to touch my eyebrow up with some of my Sadie Lady. And this is cheap. I got it from Wish. But y'all, this makeup here is about to make me try to flip. Look at that. Look at the difference. My freckles are gone. Look, like I will have to use layers and layers and layers and layers and layers and layers and layers to get this to look like. Look at that. And all I used was a smidgen. It's actually enough on here to come on over. But look. Thumbnail. Let me get the rest of this. Go ahead and do this. For those that have this, let me know what you think about it. Like I said, the reviews are several. There we go, pimple. I'm breaking out. I'm being reminded to do something with 6 exercise time. But I think that's too much. You literally just need a smidgen. A smidgen. You know what? I don't even want to put all this on. I want to take this and I want to put it back. Because I feel if it's dough, I don't need all that to finish my face on this side. If I do, I'll get it out, but I don't want to waste it. I'm cheap, so I probably needed that because still see my freckles. But for something to hide my freckles on the first layer is amazing to me. I'm not gonna go all down there or anything because I'm at home. It's after work. It's 6 o'clock. And I'm not trying to do a full face right now. Wow. Wowed by this stuff. Totally wowed. Whoa. I look airbrushed. Gotta be kidding me. This stuff is the bomb. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna wear it for a little bit. Maybe until bedtime here. I'm gonna just let it sit on my face, oxidize, because I heard that the oxidization on this is amazing. So, ooh, That's cute. So I'm waiting. I'm gonna wait and look at that. And on to what else I found. This stuff, y'all. Like, I'm addicted already, I think. But I did find this in there. Revolution Pride. I don't know of this brand, but this is what I got up here. And I use the orange color. And I can't wait to use this gold and this fuchsia, that purple, and that green. All of it has a little bit of a shimmer to it. This was $10. Spirit of Pride is what it's called. I also ordered this one from Amazon. And I did a look on this one that I will have up soon. It will be the... What color did I use? I think I used this color. Can't remember, but look at that. This is pigmented glitter. You have to really build it, but it's glitter. Like that, like pigmented. Pretty, isn't it? Look at this, y'all. It covered my freckles, like, believe it. So, I'm not even gonna set it with any setting spray. And this is You Can Be Matte Finishing Spray. Got that from AliExpress. And this is the cat eye I use. I mean, eyeliner I use to make my cat eye. Oh, I forgot to show you the hack. For those of you that's pressed for time, get you a piece of paper, line it up, and do that. I do it in the morning when I don't have time to be trying to get a straight line. But, wow. Thumbs up for now. Like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notifications, and I will see you guys in the next one. Like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notifications, and I will see you in the next one. Peace. I bet y'all think I'm crazy. I really am. Bye.